Good morning, children. Happy Holi to all of you. Children, today I will discuss about the addition of 7-digit numbers with carryover. See children, this is a 7-digit number. This is also a 7-digit number. We have to add these two numbers. How? Go to the first number. Write all the digits in their respective houses or respective places like this way. 3 belongs to 1's place, 9 belongs to 10's place, 2 belongs to 100's place, 5 belongs to 1000's place, 2 belongs to 10,000's place, 3 belongs to lakhs place, 7 belongs to 10 lakhs place. Children, in similar way, write all the digits of this number in their respective houses or respective places. Now start adding the digits from your right side. Children, I am not explaining how to add the digits by our finger lines. You go to my channel and check the videos: addition of 3-digit numbers, addition of 4-digit numbers, addition of 5-digit numbers, addition of 6-digit numbers with carryover. All were explained there. Okay. Now see, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. We don't have any carry. So in the tens place, put a cross or 0. Now add these two digits. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. 6 belongs to 10's place, 1 belongs to 100's place. So write 6 in tens column, and where to write 1? We will write 1 over here. No, we will make a separate room for this one. Okay. We will carry 1 in hundreds place. Now add this all digits. 1 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. We don't have any carry. So in thousands place, put a cross or 0. Now add these two digits. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. 4 belongs to thousands place, 1 belongs to 10,000's place. So write 4 in thousands column, and where to write this one? We will write 1 over here. No, we will carry this one in the next place, okay, or next house, that is in 10,000's place. Okay, now add these all digits. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. We don't have any carry, so put a cross or 0 in the lakhs place. Okay. Now add 3 plus 5. Add 3 and 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. We don't have any carry, so put a cross or 0 in the next place, that is in 10 lakhs place. Now add 7 and 5. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 2 belongs to 10 lakhs place. 1 belongs to crores place. So write 2 in 10 lakhs column. And where to write 1? As there is no digit, write this 1 directly over here. 1 belongs to crores place or house. So what is the answer? The answer is 1 crore 28 lakhs 64,566. Write the answer over here. Practice well, children. Thank you.